Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know my wig looks crazy, but if you could just ignore, please, thank you. So in today's video, as you can tell from the title already, I'm going to be doing a full face of Nigerian owned makeup brands. Yes, I'm going to be doing my makeup using only Nigerian owned brands. So if you don't know, I know a lot of people know this, but in case you don't know, I'm Nigerian. I was born in Nigeria, lived in Nigeria all my life. And while I was growing up, there really wasn't a lot of Nigerian owned makeup brands. I mean, there was just a couple of foreign brands like MAC, Mary Kay, like that was just it at that time. But later on, brands like Zaron and House of Tara came into the picture, and then we had made in Nigeria makeup. But recently, the Nigerian beauty industry has elevated. Like right now, we have hundreds of makeup brands, high-end, low-end, affordable makeup, expensive makeup, just name it, we have it here. So today I'm going to be featuring some of my favorite Nigerian brands while I do my makeup. So let's get glam. I'm going to do my brows first, then I'll move on to my skin. To do my brows, I'll be using these pencils from Ladyvee's makeup. I think this is a Nigerian brand because we've had this here since forever. So I'm going to use this pencil. Use the black one to outline my brow first, and then I'll fill it in with the brown. So I'm done with my brows now. If you guys want me to film a detailed eyebrow tutorial, just let me know in the comment section and I'll film it. So we're going to move on to the eyes now. We're using this eyeshadow from Ladyvee Beauty Planet Cosmetics. This eyeshadow is literally one of my favorite palettes of all time. Like, let me show you guys. You can see how much I've used it. Like, I'm just going to prime with the concealer I used in cleaning up my brows. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm just going to put this in my crease, blend this into my crease. If you see me looking this way a lot, my mirror is here, so like I have a bigger mirror than this one here. So I just have to look there. This is such a soft brown that like you have to really build on it to get the maximum pigment, but not all the colors in this palette are like this, by the way. It's just this one. Going with this color here, it's like a burgundy shade. I don't know if you pronounce that right, but it's like a burgundy shade. So I'm just going to put that on top of this. To take a little bit of this black here to deepen my outer V and my crease. Yes, I think now it's time to cut the crease. I'm going to take this matte shade here now, this really light matte shade. This is looking really nice. Like, I'm going to take this same burgundy shade I used and just pack this here. I'm really liking how the eyes are looking right now. Like, let me do liner. Should I do liner or should I not? I'm going to do liner. I'm going to be using this gel liner from Zikel Cosmetics. This is the number 69 black gel liner. This is so sad. My liner dried up. This is the only liner I have from a Nigerian brand. I'm just going to use my regular old liquid liner I got from the market. It doesn't have a name. So I just lined my eyes now. I'm going to apply lashes now. Using these lashes from Zikel Cosmetics. I'm done with the eyes now. I'm going to move on to my skin. To use this Zikel Cosmetics 24K Golden Ampoule. This is like a moisturizer and a primer in one. I think it's time to remove this. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I think I'm getting pretty good at this wiggling thing. much. Oops. Okay, yeah. So next I'm going to use this primer. This is the Zikel oil-free poreless finish makeup gripping base primer. This is Zikel oil-free primer. So I'm just going to use this only on my T-zone area because this is where I tend to get oily the most too. Just around the hair and my forehead. I should have done this before my brows because my brows get really oily. So I really should have done this before my brows. But I'm going to use this Nuban Beauty highlighter. Nuban Beauty is a Nigerian brand as well. So I'm going to be using this liquid highlighter from Nuban Beauty. For my foundation, I'm going to be using this foundation from Zaron Cosmetics. This is a Zaron Healthy Glow Pure Perfection Matte Foundation. I bought this foundation some time ago and it was, I don't know, the undertone was just off. I don't know why. So I didn't really use it. But now I know how to work better with foundations like this. So I'm going to mix it with another foundation to just get the perfect balance. So I'm just going to mix this in the back of my hand and blend this in with my brush. With my brush, I'm going to use my sponge now to just dab. So for my concealer, I'm going to use this concealer from Zikel Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite concealers of all time. Like, I really love this concealer, but sadly it's almost finished. So I hope you guys see the Zikel Cosmetics and, you know, just send me some products. My concealer is blended in. I'm going to set my face now with this powder palette from Glam Beauty Pro Cosmetics. It's also a Nigerian brand. I don't know if you can see the brand name here. I'll go in with this light powder here. No, I'm going to use this light powder here to set the highlighted parts of my face first before I go in with a setting powder. I'm going to mix these two shades and use it to set my whole face. Now I'm going to use this setting powder. It's also from Glam Beauty Pro Cosmetics. Don't know if you can see this. This is a Glam Beauty Pro Cosmetics setting powder in topaz. Just going to use this now to bake. So to contour my face, I'll be using this really dark powder here and mix it with this to contour. For blush, I'll be using this blush from Glamgals Cosmetics, also a Nigerian brand. This is also like one of my favorite. This is my favorite blush actually. I'm going to be using this highlighter also from Glam Beauty Pro Cosmetics. This is in the shade Bronze Club. So just going to use very little because I already have highlights from the liquid illuminator earlier on. Shade and mix it with this one. So I'm going to mix these two shades for my lower lash line. Now I'm going to set my face with this setting spray from Zikel Cosmetics. I like my tear duct area with this light shade in this eyeshadow palette. So this one here. This looks nice. Faces with some foundation or powder. This looks nice to an extent. Wow. Okay. I'm going to line my lips with the same brown pencil I used for my eyes. Use this nude lipstick from Zaron Cosmetics. This is in the shade 14, Girl Next Door. And then I'll top it off with this nude gloss from Shimmer Glint Cosmetics. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Wow, like I look really good. Like I look good. I look good. I look really good. So you guys, let me know in the comment section which of these products you've tried and which of them you'll be trying soon, and also tell me your favorite part of this look. I really like I like how I'm looking. Like, Nigerian brands are not here to play. They are here for your money. Come to step on next. They've come to make a statement. They've come to stay. So you guys, patronize Nigerian brands. Yes, buy made in Nigeria products. Oh, I look good. Like, honestly, I do that. I'm fine. Okay, so this is the end of the video, guys. It's the end. I love you. You're a real one. You're the reason I keep doing this. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.